Everline's Infrared Asphalt Solution IAS uses proprietary infrared technology to cost-effectively and permanently repair potholes and damaged asphalt. Infrared heats the entire area around a pothole or area to be fixed to over 500 degrees. This allows for the removal of all the failed asphalt area. We rejuvenate the failed asphalt with high-technology rejuvenators that restore the characteristics of the asphalt. The hot rejuvenated asphalt is put back into the void and compacted to the appropriate level. The hot rejuvenated asphalt then forms a heat bond or watertight seal with the remaining edges from where the asphalt was removed. This prevents water from infiltrating the seams so that it cannot start the degradation process all over again, essentially providing a true fix that will not need patched again like customary pothole and asphalt repair approaches. The Infrared Asphalt Solution provides a cost-effective, long-term fix that is environmentally friendly because of the reuse of the asphalt, which also reduces VOCs or volatile organic compounds. Contact Everline Coatings 512-273-7533 to see how infrared technology can address your asphalt challenges today.